Hi you guys! Today I'm going to show you what to do if your voicemail is not working. Have your phone on hand so you can follow along, and let's jump right in. So first we need to make sure that our voicemail is activated, and to do this you're going to go to your settings and you're going to scroll down until you find phone. And if you see change voicemail password, that means your voicemail is on. If you don't see that, then it means it's off. And to turn it on, you'll have an option called voicemail where the change voicemail password would be, and you'll just tap that and it'll turn it on for you. The second way to fix whatever problems are happening with your voicemail would be to force close it and then relaunch the app. To force close it, you're just going to slide up and X out of your pages, and then you're going to reopen it, and hopefully your voicemail starts working after that. If it doesn't, you're going to go to your settings and you're going to turn your mobile data off and then on again. To do that, you're going to go settings, you'll go to cellular, and then you're going to go up to your cellular data, turn it off and turn it on again, and then you're going to relaunch your voicemail. If that still doesn't work, you're going to go and check for iOS software updates. And to do that, you're going to go back into your settings, you're going to go to the general and software updates. I have my automatic updates on, which means anytime there's an iOS software update, it's going to update for me without me having to manually do it. You can also turn that on for yourself. If you want that on, to do that, you'll just click on this and turn on all three of these. Otherwise, you can download it and install manually. And once that update is installed, you'll relaunch your app. Hopefully it's working by now. If it still isn't, then you're going to restart your phone. To restart your phone, it can vary depending on what model of iPhone that you have. But normally you'll press and hold your power button and your volume button. Press and hold those two, and the slide to power off will come on. You'll power it off, and then you're going to press and hold that power button again to turn it back on. Another thing that you can do is to check that call forwarding is off. To do that, you're going to go into your settings, and you're going to go back down to that iPhone. You'll go down to the calls section and go to call forwarding. Mine is turned off. Make sure that yours is turned off too. If you've tried all of these steps and still it's not working, it's probably time that you call your iPhone carrier and they can tell you what the next steps will be. Okay, thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. I hope that this was helpful. I know that it was a lot of information, but maybe you can use it or pass it on to somebody else who needs it. I will see you guys in the next video.